Why am I wearing this device on my nose? I pair the nasal strips from our partner hostage tape with their mouth tape when I go to bed to assure nasal breathing the entire fucking night. This helps us activate our parasympathetic nervous system. But when I am working out, for example, and I take breaks in between sets, I close my mouth shut and focus on nasal breathing. And this helps expand my airways, particularly that we have in our bio, and take advantage of the offer that we have with the Savage Army. I do freely, dear brother Savage, and that's